You were trying some cereal for the first time.
You swallowed that?
What do you think, Caden? What do you think, buddy? Oh, it's looking pretty messy already. What is this thing?
You're not ready for swallowing it.
Swallowing
Are you not ready for swallowing it? I don't know, you're actually eating any of this.
Was it all ending up on your front?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's that? What's that? What's that? Look at you. Oh. It's pretty messy looking, buddy. No, you gotta swallow.
I'm sure if I put it in a dropper, he'd take it like his vitamin D.
Mm-hmm.